Okay, so we're going to talk about how being organized is going to save you a ton of money. I've heard people say I can't afford to get organized, but you know what? In reality, it doesn't cost a ton of money to get organized on your own if you're doing it yourself. And you're going to save so much money. So for example, you won't be running out and buying items that you already have, right? You won't have late fees, or you may not miss those deadlines that may cost you money. What about expired food? You won't have to worry about that anymore because you'll have a system in place where you know exactly where your food is. And what about finding money or finding gift cards? I see that all the time when I used to go into people's homes. We used to find so much money and gift cards. So that's something else that you may end up doing. You may find money, right? Which is a bonus. It also will save you a lot of time, like tons of time. And time is money. I always think that because I hate wasting my time on things. So time really is money as well. So you're going to be able to save a lot of time. And what about storage fees? Some people, you know, you may have things in storage. Well, you won't have to worry about that anymore if you're organized, right? And if you're living with less, then you won't have to. And another thing, you won't shop as much. Because when you learn to live with less, you don't shop as much. So many benefits to being organized.